Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into the Acer BIOS. Press F2 immediately after power on and hold for 1 second, then release. Once inside, you need to confirm you are in UEFI mode and note the BIOS version so changes can be tracked. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and do not remove the battery, because firmware steps can fail if power is lost. If your keyboard is unresponsive, switch to a USB keyboard now. This is the moment to prepare for secure boot changes. Once done, enable the supervisor or admin password so secure boot options become editable. Many Acer machines lock them behind that password. Then locate Secure Boot and either disable it or change the OS type to Other OS, which effectively removes enforcement. If the firmware shows an option to delete Secure Boot keys or enter setup mode, use it. This clears vendor keys that cause the Secure Boot fail. Make sure to save changes before exiting. Otherwise, the firmware will keep blocking the boot. You finish by saving the BIOS changes and rebooting. Test booting into your OS or a known good USB installer. If the failure persists, go back in and load BIOS defaults to clear accidental settings, then reapply the Secure Boot change carefully. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the BIOS/UEFI firmware if available. Manufacturers often fix Secure Boot bugs. If nothing works, re-enable Secure Boot and restore the original keys so the system returns to a known state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.